Got Spider Pig introduced the coffee bars.
Shit, you know how we do about coffee. We got that buy me a coffee. Shouts out to self monetization. You know your boy's a monetization coach. You ain't got a bag. We can work on that because you probably do something that's worth a bag. Hell, you know how I be out here in these streets. You already do stuff. Now let's go live while you do stuff.
Bars. We ain't playing no game. We networking. You hear me? J Soul, what it do, family? How you doing?
Let's
Let's
crack a lack.
go. Bars, you already know, bro. We over here networking, chilling, minding our business. You hear me? Putting
Hey,
it
like
in
I
the
said,
air.
man. I was
Putting it
just
in the air.
grabbing my little weed container when you was like, "Hey, you know where the link is?" I'm like, "See, the only problem is you got four different channels. Do all four of them got the same link? No, they don't. No, they don't. Yeah, I had to go and switch around a couple channels because one of them did.
Yeah.
One of them didn't have it up on there. And then one had yesterday's link. So I'm like, "See, he told me to pull up. Now I'm over here doing acrobats and gymnastics trying to
You gotta,
find that
yeah, you
link."
gotta go there. You know, like which one is he on, god dog? Because you know, Kenfo, we gotta keep it pop because YouTube be trying to hate. You hear me? It's a free platform. You hear me? Anybody can get 50 subscribers.
They don't be trying to hate YouTube's just some scammers. They just don't be wanting to pay people half the damn time. That's why they try to give you too many rules.
And you see
Then
what they doing, what they doing.
then they'll just come by on the slide and try to shut you down just for no good reason. Because what type of supplier don't like people that like to work?
Bars. Oh,
It's
hey,
like the
what you
boss
say?
man.
You the undercut him and he ain't getting the attention no more. Bars.
Oh yeah, I've been cut YouTube out the business. That's why I said hell. As long as they let me make videos, they fucking up. Cause hell, I'll bring everybody to the other spot. Hey, come on over here to the Rumble or check out
Yeah.
my Buy Me a
The other
Coffee.
spot
Eh,
is sold out.
Preferably check out the Buy Me a Coffee because that'll get you direct access to your boy, and YouTube don't get nothing.
It
Hell,
is. You hear me?
talk about hey, we
We
can
just
take
keep it 100.
between
You hear me?
30 and 70% of your transactions.
Like they say,
Hold
it's
on.
many ways to get a check.
Hey, besides YouTube, they be on that bullshit. So that's why we just tell them that, yeah, we'll be over here. We'll go live. And
Yeah, hey,
then I'll have that link in the bio that y'all try to flag me for because that's what y'all flagging me because I'm sending
yeah.
shit
You see
elsewhere.
that? Yeah, that spam. What they call it spamming. But I got my spam on. So how you gonna get mad at me? I spam my own shit.
Being here with
Haters.
my own paid ass.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. As soon as you click on the video, it be like, hold on. This ain't even the video you wanted to watch. But go to my sponsors, buy something, and then come back to this video because you wanted to see this. But let's go back to it right now, though.
Bar, what's up with it?
Motherfuckers
Freestyle
be
King
bad
over
coming to
here.
me.
Bar, what's up with it, my bro? Bars, keep it popping on your channel. You already know we the best. Everybody hit that thumbs up. You already know what. What? Let's go. We ain't playing. We
See,
networking. You however
you
you
know,
looking.
bro got his shit because he already got the blue lights. You know, I'm about my shit because I got the green
I
light.
like anything detailed. You hear me?
Hey,
Bars. I ain't gotta watch it, but I'm gonna represent it. You
shout out
hear
to
me?
that green light special
You did. You see that Dallas Stars over there? What he got that green light? That green light.
with the grow tent behind me. Them motherfuckers be like, well, what kind of tent is that? They be leaning in
Don't
all
don't
hard.
worry about it. You hear me?
Five of them
It
asking me
makes
kindly,
wonders.
which
It
Mars
make
Hydro
wonders.
tent is that? Don't worry about it, bitch. I got it.
It okay. It make wonders. You hear me? It make
It's
magic.
one
It
of
make
them.
money. That tent make money. Do you hear me?
Shit,
Bars.
it's on the NDA to the end of the month.
Ooh wee. I'm talking about man. Say
Until
yeah.
the end of the month. That's why you can only see it. And I ain't been it.
Ooh. So that means hey, it got some magic up in there.
Motherfuckers been asking like, man, you ain't showed the growth for a while. What's cracking? NDA. Shit. Somebody paid me to shut up for a minute.
Yeah, it's all good.
Said you
You
can
hear me?
just
We
see
gonna
the
wait.
outside scene. Can't see what's in it for a moment.
Yeah. Bar. Next time you see it, you're gonna be like, it's a forest. Bars. It,
Well, yeah, that's whatever I have
it's in the
my next show because
compliance.
I had a young
Y'all better
student
stay
come through.
tuned.
But hell, that's how I be. Tell these people you got to be about your shit, and then you just gonna start making your moves, and then you stay making your moves, you gonna stay going.